Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save Google Calendar as a PDF. In order to do that, first of all you have to search Google Calendar in your preferred browser. Just simply click on. Now click on the first link. After it will redirect you to this page. As you can see here, all the dates, all the months. So if you want to print it, you can just simply go to the setting, click on that, and from here you have to choose this print link. Click on the print. Now from here you have to choose from print range, from date to end date, from starting to end date. As you can see here, March, uh, for example, 1 to March 31. Now you have to choose view auto and font size. You have to choose, for example, I want to choose big. I will choose big. It will change biggest if you want to choose. Now if you want to choose color and style, you can give a full color or black and white as well. Now I will choose the full color. Now show event that you have declined. You can check out if you have declined anything and just click on the print option. So this is how you can save a PDF of a Google Calendar in your PC, or you can just print out. So this